So exactly 6 months ago, I posted a video on how I made over $1,500 on YouTube using Coca-Cola videos, right? And as you can see right now, that same channel is sitting around $5,500 in a total revenue right now. But don't fool yourself, this is not crazy amount of money that came overnight. As you can see, that channel has been alive for 1 year after monetization. So if you divide $5,500 by 12, that's a bit of $450 every single month. It's not crazy, right? It's a slow, consistent income. And the only reason why I showed you that is just to prove you that even simplest video can make you money on YouTube if you stay consistent, right? Now in that video, I explained the strategy behind how to create a video that show how things are made, like Coca-Cola, pencil, toothpaste, and a lot of other things. Anything you can think of, microphone, anything. And this kind of video got millions of views. As you can see on the screen, these videos are getting millions of views, millions of clicks, and this niche is still wide open, as you can see. But here is where everything changed. I came across a channel on this same niche that started just 1 month ago when I discovered the channel, and that 1 month that channel already got monetized, get millions of views, posted several videos, and every of those videos already gotten hundred of thousands of views. It is crazy. And that's when I say, hold on, I need to come back on this niche. Even though I'm still making money with this niche, I never thought someone could start today and the first month will get this kind of result this fast. It is crazy. But it's just proof that, as I said earlier, this niche is wide open and anyone can start and make money with it. So in today's video, I'm going to show you step by step the process on how you also can create the same type of video in any object. You just need to understand the process of this niche and you can create thousands of videos on thousands of topics and get millions of views. So the first thing, I've placed a prompt in the description, so just click on it and copy the prompt and paste it in here. So in the placeholder section, all you have to do is to remove this part and then put the number of video ideas you want ChatGPT to generate for you. Do you understand? So this can be any number from 10 to 20, 30, 40, and so on. So I'm just gonna enter 25, and once we hit send, you will see ChatGPT immediately start generating video ideas for us. And as you can see, it suggests a variety of concepts from video about Coca-Cola, as you can see here, and many other creative topics. But the idea I personally like the most is the pencil video, because that type of video is the kind of video that is getting receiving consistent views for me over this 1 year that I'm telling you. Till now, that same topic is still getting views and making money. So the step number one, we are going to be using ChatGPT, and the first thing we are going to go and type, can you describe the process making colored pencil? Then ChatGPT will start giving us the full answer, and as you can see here, ChatGPT is detailing everything for us immediately. So since we are still on ChatGPT, let's ask the second question. Next we ask, can you create a script for each scene to turn it into a video? Be sure to number each scene. Alright, as you can see now, we have a script for each part of the video, and ChatGPT even gives us what to say in the voice over. This kind of video normally do not have voice over, but if you put voice over, you differentiate yourself and be more original, as you can see, right? So the step number two, creating images with AI. So now we still use GPT, alright, and create prompt to make those images. So we will say create an English prompt for each scene to generate visuals using an AI image generator. Make them look realistic, and I said English because I was talking with him in French. Okay, and within a second, as you can see, we now have the prompt for each scene. So what we are going to do now is very simple to generate images. We are going to use an AI called Piglumen. Most of you know this website, right? So what we are going to do is we paste the prompt into the app, as you can see here, and get the images of the scenes we want. While it's loading, we repeat the same process for every scene, scene 2, scene 3, and so on. That's exactly what you're going to do. Alright, I've done it. As you can see, the images came out looking amazing, as you can see. Then the step number 3, animating the images, right? So once we have the images, we can go to this AI called Clean AI to animate those images. I also know most of you already know this platform. So all we have to do is very simple. We upload our images and then we send it. It's very simple here, and in a short time we get videos of colored pencil being made. As you can see right here, this looks right in the factory. And that's what I was talking about earlier. So the step number 4, this is very simple and fast. As you can see, I'm not wasting time because it's very simple. Next, we need voiceover, as I said earlier. Okay, and if you are familiar with this kind of content creation videos with AI, all those things, you definitely know 11 Labs, right? So that's exactly what we're gonna use in this video. So what we are going to do is very simple. We go back to ChatGPT again and get the voiceover script that it gave us, then paste it into 11 Labs. We copy paste each in it at once, as you can see. So this is all the prompt I've pasted. Then you click generate and that is it. Now we have a professional sounding voiceover to explain what's happening in the video. Step number 5, editing the video. So once inside CapCut, we're gonna use CapCut. Simply import the visuals and the voiceover you created, and then drag them here into the timeline, and just drag the clips and drop them in. The next thing we're gonna do is very simple, is to sync it. Okay, sync the visuals with the voiceover. I'll let you handle that part. It's very easy. You just need to sync everything together. Everything need to just be perfect. Okay, all right. So but one thing that can actually add value is subtitles, as you can see. So for that, go to text section and click on auto caption. Choose French or English, but I'm gonna choose French because I'm making the videos in French. And you just click or hit or generate. After a few moments, you can see subtitles appear on your video, and that's how you can make great videos. And also, if you want, you can also add a background music. So once you made your final tweak and you are happy with the result and everything, go down to menu, then files and export. Make sure your video is in 1080p and 30 fps, and that be enough. Then click on export. Now it's time to publish your video and wait to get the maximum views as possible. Click right here if you really want to know how I'll create a USA channel from scratch and make more money on YouTube, because monetizing your channel is not the most important thing. It's monetizing a channel that could bring you more money. You can monetize again $10 a month. You see? So watch that video. You really want to know how to create a USA channel so you get more money, get more RPM on YouTube. See you on the other side, and peace out.